Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nika. So today, this morning, I'm actually waiting on my new refrigerator. It's Wednesday. I told you we was getting that new refrigerator put in the house. So I'm actually waiting on them to deliver. As you can see behind me, we had to move everything so they can kind of get the refrigerator in spot. So you see the old refrigerator here. So we just kind of slid it over because I still have my food in it right now. But, once the new refrigerator comes, I'm going to switch everything over. So I still have to kind of clean that refrigerator. I didn't want, it still has a little coolness to it. So I didn't want to like move everything out right now. But we have to get rid of it, obviously, because we needed a new one. So you see I had to move my whole food tray right here. It's just kind of sitting in the middle of the floor. Because, like I said, we had to move space. We had to make space for the new refrigerator. So I'm actually getting ready to go ahead and clean that one out. And I'm going to move everything off of it. Now, I don't know if I want to do that now. I might just kind of wait till they come. They should be coming, maybe within the next couple of hours. I don't know. But once they get here, we're going to go ahead and start the process. Hopefully, I will be able to record them moving everything in, but I don't know because I don't know how things is going to go with them trying to get it through the back door and everything. But hopefully once they get here, you can kind of see the process of them moving it in place and everything and hooking it up. And I actually have to go outside myself this morning to shut off the water. When you have an ice maker, you have to shut off the line and I guess get the pressure out of the line before you hook it back up to the refrigerator. So I have to do all of that because I'm here by myself. And I don't really have anybody to do it for me. So that's what you're going to see this morning. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. Wait for them to come and hook this up, okay? Okay. All right, guys. So they are here to put in my new refrigerator. So hopefully everything works out. So I'm going to just let them do what they do. Okay, so my refrigerator is installed now. I have to wait a couple of hours before I like switch the food over into there, let it get cool. So once it get cool, I'll be good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out. They said just to wipe down the shelves and everything before I put my food in. So I could go ahead and do that, and then I could go ahead and start straighten up that refrigerator, get it cleaned up, okay? So watch me do that, baby. So let me show you what it looks like up close. So on the side of it, it has what the refrigerator temperature is, 76. The freezer is 75. Ice maker on, ice maker, water, door alarm. So if the refrigerator is kept open, it will make a noise. It did it earlier. Don't know how long I have to keep it open before it starts, you know, ringing. But I'm not gonna keep it open long because I want it to start cooling down. But as you can see as well, before I shut the refrigerator, you just see how it look. The shelf space, the storage space is actually pretty deep looking actually. And on both sides. And look how the ice maker is made too. That's like totally different from the other ice maker I currently had. This is the top of the freezer, you know, maybe. Well, actually, this is not the freezer. This is part of the refrigerator. It's the top refrigerator part. I don't even know if I need to take this part off or not. I might keep them on, like this right here. I might keep it on, so I guess when it go in, it's smooth and it don't scrape. I might just keep that on. This is the freezer. So we have that top shelf here. Push it in. You have those two bottom down there. So we're going to have to really try to organize that because that's not really a lot of space. But you have this piece too. But we're going to have to figure out how we're going to organize it. But that's it, guys. So this is the new refrigerator. Okay, here's the old refrigerator. I mean, it looks basic, plain white. Nothing wrong with it. As in how it looks, you know. So everything is totally different. You get to see how jam-packed it looks in here right now. Jam-packed, okay. You get to see the refrigerator side. Jam-packed. And of course, something spilled down there. So that's mainly where I really got to clean it. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Yep, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and clean this stuff off now. Okay, so I am done for now. I'm going to go ahead and let the refrigerator cool down for a couple hours. Then I'll come back and we'll get to cleaning that one. And I did notice, look at the height. You see how much taller that one is from that one? Pretty short. I did not know it was actually that low down. And I think this is actually bigger, like bulkier looking. So I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell, but I was trying to see if it was like, if this was out, if it was out a little farther, because it just looks bigger. It looks much bigger than the white one. But hey, we got a new refrigerator, and guess what? It's a Samsung. We love Samsung, it seemed like, because everything we keep buying is Samsung. We bought that Samsung washer. Now we have a Samsung refrigerator. So I think everything in here we're going to convert over to Samsung, because now we need a stove, because to be honest, a couple of them eyes don't work. So they have gone out. So now we need to try to buy us a stove. And we got to get the funds for that, baby, okay? But anyway, guys, I'll be back. Let me go ahead and let that refrigerator cool down. Then I'll go ahead and get that cleaned up for you. Okay, so one thing I could go ahead and start doing is putting the water in here. Because, hey, it don't matter if it's cold right now, but, you know, or hot, you know. So I can go ahead and put the water in here. Alright, so I already got about 6 or 7 bottles in there now. So I'm going to just wait again, like I said before. Alright, so the refrigerator has finally cooled down now. So I can go ahead and get everything switched over here. So guys, as you can see, I'm putting everything in here, but I might need to reorganize this because things are not going in here the way I want it to. So I might have to take this stuff out and do it over. So I'm going to do all of that behind the scenes, but I'm going to show you where I end up, okay? Okay, so I made some changes in the refrigerator so that I can go ahead and put my milk and stuff in here because I don't want to have to lay them down flat. I want them to stand up. So I made those changes. Okay, this is is one thing that is going to bother me. I don't know why this won't stay open, but as you can see, it keeps closing. Like, I don't know. I hope they did not send me a defective refrigerator. I said a defective refrigerator, because first of all, this keeps dripping water, and now this door won't stay open. So I don't know if that's something I need to do, but it's getting ready to annoy me.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls right. But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Of you. I really didn't think I'd have to feel like thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by.
Alright guys, so I got the refrigerator all cleaned up, and that wasn't one of those deep cleaning. It was just a basic cleaning because I'm actually going to give this refrigerator away. So I wasn't going to like do no deep cleaning because they could clean it themselves as well. But pretty much this is the freezer. And everything, the freezer actually was really clean. I just did a little wipe down in there. I didn't have to do much. We did dump out all the ice. And this is the refrigerator. Now, of course, you did see me have to scrub the bottom because something must have spilled down there. But it was only the bottom that was dirty, and it wasn't even like severely dirty. Like it didn't even take me but probably 5 minutes or so to do the bottom. But this is the whole refrigerator, and I actually am going to miss this. I always say that I'm not very sentimental, but I think I'm going to miss this refrigerator for some odd reason. It's like once I started cleaning it, I actually felt tears in my eyes. So I'm just like, oh my gosh. All right, so just so you guys can see my face, like I said, I'm going to miss this refrigerator. I really am, because I don't know what it is about it, but once I started putting everything in a new refrigerator, I started feeling memories for the old refrigerator. And I normally don't have no attachments to things, but I feel like I'm gonna miss this. So I'm just like, oh gosh, you know. And I'm gonna wipe my mouth because I'm like, is that a crumb right here? I had some banana pudding. I had to take a break from cleaning it, ate me some banana pudding, then I had to come back. But anyway, but like I said, it didn't take me long to do it, and it wasn't like no deep cleaning. I did use just regular soap and water, you know. So other than that, guys, this was pretty much it. So I went ahead and got the new refrigerator in here. Everything is put in there as you've seen before, and I got this cleaned out. So this is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video out here. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You guys take it easy. It was real.